Guys, welcome to my channel. Today's yummy recipe is the Spanish omelette, which needs only 3 simple ingredients. So first of all, let's whisk some eggs and keep them aside. It doesn't need lots of whisking, just whisking a little bit. And then peel the potatoes. 2 medium potatoes are good, and then dice them into small pieces. Not too small, not too big, and keep them aside. Now let's take a medium sized onion and same way peel them and slice them. Just slice thinly and separate them completely and keep it in a bowl and keep them aside. Now heat oil in a pan, and once it's quite hot, add the potatoes and the onions and now fry them till the onions are golden brown and the potato is almost cooked, not overcooked, but yes, slightly brown. They should look a little bit of brownies, like they are looking in the video. The onions are also done, so let's take them out and add it to the whisked eggs. Now add some salt and pepper into this. If you want, you can add chili powder also. Now in the same pan, after removing all the oil, just leave a little bit and empty this bowl of potato omelette. And it's quite heavy, guys. Also, once it's done, put a lid on it and let it cook for 1 minute. I don't have the video of the flipping omelette, so I'm really sorry about that. Now once it's flipped, it looks like this. Just enjoy your lunch, dinner. If you love this video, do let me know in the comment section, and if you have tried it, or how did it turn out for you, what ingredients did you use, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. And also please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting many keto recipes which are simple and easy, so that your keto journey is a breeze, right? See you.